Hey guys, I am so excited to show you this mold. I received it about a week and a half ago, about that time, and I couldn't show it to you. I had to keep it to myself because it hadn't been launched, but it is launching today with Just For You Online UK, and it is absolutely amazing. I mean, look at that mold. So he is not even the daddy, but the granddaddy of these little guys. And you can see the size of him in comparison to these four coasters. And I've used these before, but I have never used Grandad. So I'm going to eventually turn this into a tray, and I can't wait. I'm not sure how much resin he's going to take. So he's really, really deep, so I probably won't fill it to the top. I'm thinking probably a couple of liters of resin in here, at least. So I'm going to make more in order to have it. And I'll do the coasters as well if I have enough. And if not, I'll make them another time. But I am so excited to be working on this mold. It will be available today from Just For You Online UK. And you know, guys, go for it. It's going to be a beaut. You can use it as a table center or turn it into a tray and put handles, or just leave it as it is. You know, possibilities are endless. So I'm really, really looking forward to this, and I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm keeping it really simple. Having never used it, I don't want to complicate things too much. So I'm using two colors, the white ignition dust, which I have put in the clear resin, and my main color will be the baby pink pigment. And both these colors come from Just For You Online UK. And I will also be using gold leaves from Just For You Online UK in the center. So here we go. I have mixed two lots of 1,040 grams of resin. So each pot contains 1,040 grams of resin. So 1 kilo 42. And here we go. So I'm going to heat this now a little bit, get rid of some of these bubbles. So I've gotten rid of some of these bubbles, and what I want to try and do is move a couple of these from the sides. Obviously, maybe not all of them because it would take me forever, but the obvious ones I kind of want to remove very gently with a toothpick, being careful not to poke at the mold. Just move them to the inside as much as you can, so I can clear them with my heat gun afterwards. It's always difficult to remove bubbles that form on the side of molds, but if I can get rid of a few, then I'll be happy. So I don't think I told you actually, when you mix color into such a huge amount of resin, the easiest way to do it, in my opinion, and obviously others will have a different way, or they may mix it directly into the container. So for example, this one, rather than trying to mix the color into your resin directly, I pour some resin into a cup, put the amount of color I want, mix it well, and then I dilute it. I add it to the main pot. So it's a bit like if you were doing a sauce, a thickening of a sauce, you would put your corn flour in a bit of water in a cup, and then you would add that, you would mix that well, and then you would add it to the rest of your sauce. You wouldn't put the corn flour directly into your pot. It would end up being lumps and bumps, and it would be horrendous. So I suggest doing the same thing for such a quantity. So again, there is 1,042 grams of resin in this container. I actually want a little bit more movement in this, so I am going to use the bigger one. And now I'm just going to add the gold leaf into the middle, mixing them a little bit. I don't want all of them to sink. And I might just put some as definition on the sides. So anyway, guys, this is it. I'm just going to add more of these gold leaves. I'll speed this video up so that you're not staring at me doing this all the time. And I hope you enjoyed it. I'd love to hear some feedback on this one. And as I said, it's available on Just For You Online UK, together with all the products that I have used, as well as the premium epoxy resin, which will be back in stock as of today. So thank you for watching, and I will see you guys soon.